First, I want to say I'm really happy to be at Collegio Bellafotoro. I had an amazing time with the students, with the kids, with the teacher. And, I saw I'm really happy, I'm really excited for the future because I see some of the students and I'm like thinking about the future is really bright and I can't really wait for the future. And this is my first time come to this school, come to Brazil, and I had an amazing time. I feel really lucky to be here because I see all these kids. We play some basketball, so I was really excited to be here. And one thing I will say to the kids, just keep working hard, and whatever your dream is, always chase for it. And there is one saying: if no one believes in you, believe in yourself. Always chase for your dreams and give yourself 100%. And one little thing. Never ever give up. Whatever your dream is, always just go for it, chase for it, and you have really good opportunity here in this school. And I see, I went to class, I went to the classes, I went to the labs, I went to the basketball court. This is an amazing school. It's a beautiful school. I wish I was went to school like this when I was growing up, when I was your age, guys. So I'm really excited to be here. And the one thing, I'm saying this again, never ever give up. Always chase for your dreams. And always set your dreams to the highest level you can possible, and then just go for it, and no one can stop you.